Hello, I'm Paul from NAUTITECH. Welcome to the NAUTITECH tutorials. We are gonna go on the NAUTITECH 44, our brand new Catamarans, and do the checking of the boat before casting off to sail. So please follow me. I'm gonna open the door here. First of all, turn on your battery. So for that you have 3 switches over there, 2 for the engine batteries and 1 for the main service battery. So you can switch them on directly. Now that it's done, you will see that your electronic is on, and we are gonna have a look at the level of your batteries. So here on the SailSense app, on your GPS, you will have access to all the data of your boat. Seeing here that our main service battery is 30.2 volts, so completely charged, and the engine batteries 13.6 volts. Both of them are good to go. So first of all, we are gonna take off the shore cable. That's gonna be the first thing we are gonna need to do to go out. And store them in the locker. You can choose any locker for that. Now that the boat is out of the shore power, we can have a look and make sure that your batteries doesn't drop down for their tension, and both of them are completely and the 3 of them are totally fine. So we are gonna do engine check-in. Please follow me in the engine room. Here, the first thing to do is to check the tension of your belt. This one is completely tight, so everything is good here. Make sure that you have water in the pre-filter, which is the case here. And then check the level of your oil in the engine and in the sail drive. And of course, make sure that your valve for the entry of the seawater of your engine is open and that the coolant is full. Now that you have all of that, you can check the same on the other engine, so you're good to go. Now that you have checked both of your engine, you can check your mainsail, open your lazy bag, see if everything is ready to open your sail here. Okay, your halyard is free, sail ready to go up, solent is in place. So now that all of that is checked, we are gonna cast off the dock.